Yeah, no, it wasn't that bad at all, especially for like a in-person shop. Normally the markup is ridiculous when you find one just at a shop somewhere. But 150 is not bad at all. Oh, look at his little hands. That is so cool. I've always loved perfect grade style hands, and this is my first pair. Alright, let's add the armor to these. Yeah, at least 100. I think on Amazon they go for like 180 or how much they go? 130 on Amazon or something like that for this one. I think. Armor up these arms, baby. Now my perfect grade perfect strike, that was another story. That one was, I think I paid like $320 for it, and that was at another local shop. That one was marked up a little bit at the time. Yeah. Oof. The clear freedom? Well, it's not, I mean, for a clear Gundam, like, I'm assuming the Freedom 2.0 clear, that's not too terribly bad. I've never built anything out of that line of kit before, but, you know, let's say, but it's not too terribly bad. Yeah. You know they're gonna tax you when it's P Bandai. I just built my first ever P Bandai, which was the heavy weapon system. It was my very first P Bandai. For the real grade new Gundam. Ooh, the high grade heavy arms, that's a good one. I've heard nothing but good things about that kit. Oh yeah. What you gonna like? How are you gonna paint them up? Paint markers, nice. Are they the Gundam paint markers, or just you found some different ones? Try a few out, nice. What are you gonna do? Some golds and silvers. Okay. Yeah. That'll probably be pretty cool. Yeah, gold it. Do a black base with gold on top. That's your best bet. Yeah, no, they really are. Each finger is fully articulated on it. It's crazy. Ooh, that fits on so well. It just slides into a polycap. That's great. Oh my god. Wow. These arms. Oh my god, they're so cool. Wonderful. Wonderful. There it is. Edit the arms. Did the head. We're gonna do this whole build part by part, man. I don't want to rush through this thing because I have no backlog whatsoever. Aside from another perfect grade. But I'm gonna take my time building this. And yeah. Go ahead and get this little raid started.
If you were building a bridge, if Apache 3 was like the bridge, like the paving and the woodworking, these would be the trusses. These are the things that are holding up the bridge to make it functional. And again, this is just going to run in the background for a minute. It's going to take up 18 megabytes of additional space. Y for yes, hit return. And that's just going to, again, run for a little bit. Hey, Thick Gunpla, thank you for the raid. We're not doing Gunpla today, but I hope that you're interested in learning how to make a server. That's what we're doing today. I actually ran the simulations in the Matrix with Raspberry Pis. Dude, was that taking place in the future? I bet Raspberry Pis would be powerful enough to do that by then. These things have gotten crazy. Like, the fact that you could get a whole damn desktop computer, Raspberry Pi, or the Raspberry Pi Foundation, makes a version of this called the Raspberry Pi 400, and it's a whole computer in a wireless keyboard. This isn't one of them, but it's about the same form factor, and it's just like a freaking like a cyber deck from like Neuromancer or something. You just plug it into a TV or a monitor and just go. You have a whole computer right there. Like, these things have gotten super powerful over the years. We're building cloud servers today. We'll get back to Gunpla tomorrow, but I wanted to do something a little different. You don't need to worry about what any of this stuff says. It's just gonna run. The only thing you gotta worry about is the progress bar on the bottom, 89%. Getting close to done with this step. And once again, for the new raiders, if you have any questions, if you're not sure about what the hell is going on, I am happy to explain it. But basically, we're taking all of our data, getting it off of iCloud, Google Drive, wherever. Getting all of our passwords out of our Notes app tucks and into one of these, a Raspberry Pi, that we own the data of and that we can always access. If something goes terribly, terribly wrong, we can just get back to it. We use Raspberry Pis in our bar to play retro games. Oh yeah, nice. I have. You want to see something super nerdy? Hold on 1 second. Where is it? So check this out, chat. I have this little. It looks like it holds business cards, right? But it actually holds all of my micro SD cards. These are all most of these are Raspberry Pi pages. Like I've got Kali. I normally have SDR, which is for audio transmissions, Raspberry Pi OS, which is the one we're doing now. I used to have one for a RetroPie that I hooked into my TV. It was okay. It wasn't the best. I think that would have been better on Pi 4, but it wasn't too bad at all. There we go. Back to the screen. Here we go. Yeah, it's like a Switch card holder. That's basically what it is, because that runs off of like the same kind of cards. In fact, the other side does have like a full-size SD card holder as well, which you can kind of see on the little screen there. Thought it was a scale? Oh. Nope, it's a Raspberry Pi. Alright, so we now have our PHP hooks installed, and we just need to apply them to Apache